here on the lake, and I have no idea where I'm gonna go fishing. There's so many good spots out here at Smithville. I mean, I see the bridge. I know they're gonna be in these brush piles in here shallow. Like, there's just so many places to fish in so little time. So I think I'm gonna try a couple of brush piles that I'm familiar with, and they probably won't be there, but I'm gonna go poke my head around and hopefully I find some fish or a mermaid. Let's see what happens. Beautiful looking Smithville Lake crappie. Check him out. About 11 and a half. Look at that. All right. All right, all right, all right. 14 more to go. Ooh, nice one. That's a nice little fish. Another beautiful white crappie out here at Smithville Lake. Rated about 11 inches. That's what I'm talking about. My GoPro battery died, and I just couldn't stop fishing. Caught a bunch of fish. I probably caught like 10 fish, and then finally I was like, I better go back to my truck and get my battery. So I moved out here to my secret spot. It rhymes with bridge. Better get up in here. Get up in here. Oh, that's not a bad fish. Look at that, guys. All right, all right, all right. Right about 11 inches. In case y'all don't know, I have made it a personal mission of mine to murder every single crappie in Smithville Lake. About 11 and a half, beautiful black crappie. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful fish. I'm getting closer to murdering all the fish in the lake. One fish down, 2 billion to go. Now this whale's last name is Jennings. His middle name is N. So he's Whale N. Jennings. About to catch him. Here we come. Coming for that whale. Here we go, whale. Come on, Mr. Jennings. Right here off the point. Oh, boom. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Here we come. You want to come to dinner, Mr. Jennings? I'm inviting you. Would you like to come? Huh? Would you? Oh, you would like to come. Okay, get in the boat. Get in the boat. Get in the boat, Mr. Jennings. Oh, there you are. Look, it's Mr. Whale N. Jennings. Right here. Right out here at Smithville Lake. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful, tiny little treasure. Look at that little treasure. Oh, what a treasure. I got a bunch of fish to clean when I get home. That's a good thing. That's a good problem to have, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, look what I'm talking about. Oh, my goodness. He's just a little feller, but I'll take him. I don't care. Those little tiny ones, that's what we call tater chips. They're good eating. Good eating. Good eating, these little fellers. I still haven't caught my mermaid today. I bet she's right over here. Here we go. Oh, that's where Ariel's at, right there. Hey, Ariel. You want to come to dinner at my house? You are invited if you'd like to come. Oh, there he is. I got her. I got her. Hey, Ariel. I knew you were hanging out. Wanted to come to... That is about the ugliest mermaid I've ever seen in my life, but you gonna come to dinner because I invited you. Smithville Lake crappie. Check him out, guys. Nice looking fish. Let's see. And this one's about 10 and a half. Hey, look. It's got a little speck on it. Like a little sunlight speck. I caught one just like this earlier this year. I caught your twin brother. Smithville Lake crappie was. That's what happened. That one's got, look at that spot on top. Isn't that cool looking? Look at that.
That's kind of cool.
That's kind of weird. It looked like the sun's hitting it, you know what I mean? Yep. I thought it was the sunlight glaring through, but that's actually the fish. That's cool. Cool looking fish. And a little sunspot.
That one smacked it too.
We'll name him Sunny.
Sunny.
Guys, I'm headed back home, and had a pretty good day out there. It was pretty windy for a while, and but it kind of died down there towards the end. And, I don't know, I caught a ton of fish. I had a good time, so I don't know. We're gonna head home, count them up. We'll see what we got.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
We're gonna count them up. Got a white bass. My GoPro battery was dead when I caught it. It's like about 14 and a half, 15 inches. Fish number 1, 4, 8, 12, 18, 21. There you go, 21 fish. I was thinking I caught 22. Not a bad day. Woo, that's awesome. All right, guys, there you have it, all done. Caught 21 fish out at Smithville. Not bad for like 3 hours of fishing. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe if you haven't already to see more of my content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.